Hello everyone, welcome to Oliveboard. I hope all of you are well. Oliveboard has come up with a series called Word of the Day, and today is day 143 of the series. In this series, I give you a new word every day, its meaning and its usage in different sentences. Apart from that, I also give you the synonyms and antonyms of the given word. So, this series will be beneficial for you since it will help you enhance your vocabulary and it will also help you if these same words come up in the exams that you are preparing for. So, let us look at today's word. Today's word is ebullient. The meaning of the word ebullient is cheerful and full of energy. I repeat, the meaning is cheerful and full of energy. Now, let us look at a sentence and try to understand this word ebullient better with the help of that sentence. The sentence that is given to us says, his mood was ebullient and he had every reason to be satisfied. Here, ebullient is being used as an adjective. Now, let us look at the synonyms and antonyms of the given word. The synonyms can be exuberant, cheerful, or exhilarated. The antonyms, on the other hand, can be depressed, gloomy, or sad. Now, guys, we'll use the language Hindi to understand this word ebullient better. जो सेंटेंस हमें दिया हुआ था हम उसे हिंदी में ट्रांसलेट करेंगे और इस वर्ड एबलियंट को बेटर अंडरस्टैंड करने की कोशिश करेंगे. The sentence that was given to us was, his mood was ebullient and he had every reason to be satisfied. तो सेंटेंस ये कह रहा है वह प्रसन्न था या प्रफुल्लित था और उसके पास संतुष्ट होने का हर कारण था. तो यहाँ पर एब्यूलियंट का मतलब है प्रसन्न होना या प्रफुल्लित होना. So guys, we have used both the languages, English as well as Hindi, to understand this word ebullient better. I hope you liked the session. Like the video, share it with your friends, and for more such content, stay tuned to Oliveboard. Thank you and have a nice day.